Hello and welcome to the channel. How the state government works. Introduction. Levels of government. India has a three-tier system of government. Local government means Panchayati Raj or municipalities works at the village or city level. State government governs at the state level. Central government governs the entire country. This chapter focuses on how the state government functions. Number 2. Who is an MLA? Means member of the Legislative Assembly. MLAs are elected representatives of the people in a state. Each state is divided into constituencies and one MLA is elected from each. MLAs can belong to different political parties or be independent. The party with the most MLAs forms the government and others become the opposition. Number 3. Election of MLAs and formation of government. How are MLAs elected? Elections take place every 5 years. People vote for their preferred candidate in their constituency. The candidate with the most votes becomes the MLA. Formation of government. Majority rule. The party that wins more than half of the total seats forms the government. If no party gets a majority, multiple parties may form a coalition government. The governor, appointed by the central government, invites the majority party to form the government. The chief minister, CM, is the leader of the ruling party. The CM selects ministers to head various government departments. Number 4. Role of MLAs in the Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly is where MLAs meet to discuss state matters. MLAs debate important issues, suggest solutions, and approve policies. The opposition plays a key role in questioning the government's decisions. For example, if there is a health crisis, MLAs discuss causes, government response, and further action. Number 5. How the government works. The three branches of state government. Legislature makes laws and policies, all MLAs. Executive implements laws and policies, CM, ministers, bureaucrats. Judiciary ensures justice and law enforcement by state high court judges. Ministers and their departments. The CM and ministers manage different departments such as health, handles hospitals, medical facilities, disease control, education, manages schools, colleges, and literary programs, transport, looks after roads, buses, public transport, water supply, ensures clean drinking water. So, each department has government officials, means bureaucrats, who work under the minister. Number 6. Public participation and role of media. People raise concerns through protests, rallies, letters, and petitions. Media, such as newspapers, TV, social media, plays a role in spreading awareness about public issues. For example, if a village faces a water crisis, newspapers and TV channels highlight the issue, putting pressure on the government. Number 7. Case study: Health crisis in Patalpuram. Issue: lack of clean drinking water led to a diarrhea outbreak. Many children fell sick and some died. Public reaction is: people blocked roads in protest. Papers means newspapers and TV reported the crisis. Government's response: MLAs discussed the issue in the assembly. The health minister announced emergency measures such as water tankers, medical aid, etc. The opposition criticized the government for not acting earlier. The result is the government sent doctors and cleaned up water sources. Number 8. Difference between MLAs and ministers. MLAs, elected by people, represents a constituency, can be part of ruling party or opposition, raises public concerns. Minister, chosen by the chief minister, heads a department only from the ruling party, implements government policies. Number 9. Importance of debates in the assembly. Ensures that the government is accountable. MLAs question ministers and demand answers. Helps in making better policies based on discussion. Strengthens democracy by allowing different views. Number 10. Key terms and definitions. MLAs means Member of Legislative Assembly, elected representative in the State Assembly. Constituency, area represented by an MLA. Majority, more than half the total MLAs. Ruling party, party that forms the government. Opposition, parties that don't form the government. Coalition government, when multiple parties form the government together. Governor, appointed by the central government, acts as the constitutional head of the state. Chief Minister, head of the state government, leader of the ruling party. Minister, MLA in charge of a government department. Now the summary of key points. The state government works at the state level and consists of MLAs, ministers and the CM. MLAs are elected by the people. The majority party forms the government. The chief minister appoints ministers to manage different government departments. Legislative assembly sessions discuss and resolve public issues. Public participation and media play an important role in governance. The opposition keeps the government accountable. Case study: the Patalpuram health crisis showed how government and public efforts work together to solve issues.